Picture this. You're lying on a gorgeous beach, soaking up the sun, and enjoying life to the fullest when suddenly you receive a notification that you've just earned $30. And just when you think it can't get any better, you receive another $30 in your mailbox shortly after. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because the opportunity I'm about to introduce to you will make this a reality. The best part? You don't need any specialized skills or technical knowledge because everything is easy and straightforward. In just a few minutes, I'll show you a free, fully automated program that will do all the work for you, allowing you to sit back and receive payments effortlessly. So don't waste another second. Watch this video right away and learn how you can start earning money and enjoying the freedom you deserve. To access this website on the Microsoft Bing platform, I want you to go to bing.com first. With the help of Bing, you can use a variety of search phrases to find information online. It does many of the same tasks as Google. Entering articles into the search bar should be your next action. Microsoft Bing then automatically finds numerous articles based on your search terms. Look at these article search results before clicking through to some of the articles you may find on Bing. Let's take this one as an illustration. By scrolling down, you can read the entire article that we discovered on Bing. The second stage is to show you another website, seoclerks.com. Writing and uploading articles to this website can earn you money. You won't need to produce any articles yourself because I'll show you how to quickly copy and paste content from other people's Bing articles at the end of this video. This website will pay you without you having to do anything. You don't need to be a good writer, have any specialized skills, or even speak English fluently. This technique, one of the best, has never been discussed. Please take a look at these examples. Writing articles is a great way to get money online, and seoclerks.com will pay you for it. In a minute, I'll walk you through setting up a free account using Microsoft Bing to make your first $30 and showing you how to get paid even if you don't write anything at all. Nevertheless, let me first give you a brief introduction to Conquer.io, another website where you may earn money from free Bing posts. There are more options to make money online with Bing articles when you search for content creation in this area. One thing about Conquer that I want you to be aware of is that they pay somewhat less than SEO clerks. You may still register on seoclerks.com and Conquer.io to copy and paste Bing content and earn money from both of these platforms. In step 3, I'll begin showing you how to copy and paste Bing content to begin making money. When you go back to the Bing homepage and click on the 3 small dots, a menu will emerge where you may choose News to access a range of news stories and articles. Commonly, the newest and most talked about topics include politics, health, or news and entertainment. You can copy and paste some articles and topic ideas from the news area. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. I want you to go to another website called easyinarticles.com if you want to focus on the business category or business articles on the Bing website. The majority of the content on this website is copyright free and can be used by you as your own. To access that area of the website, simply click the business category below. You may see article categories as you scroll down below. You are free to copy any of these articles without breaking the copyright rules. Look at all of these titles. Each one is polished, completed work that you can sell on Conquer.io and seoclerks.com. but with a minor modification that I'll show you how to do. You can download thousands of different articles for free from this website and sell them on Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com. But you cannot just copy and paste those articles because no one will buy them. To help you turn such articles into new, original ones, I'd like to share with you a specific technique and some free software. Then, to make money on Conquer and SEOclerks.com, just copy and paste those Bing articles. Suppose, for example, that clicking on this article will take you to a website where you can copy the full content and paste it. I'll show you how to use prepostseo.com, an amazing tool that is completely free. Simply scroll down till you see Article Rewriter from there. There, you can copy and paste the text into the appropriate box to have the entire article automatically rewritten and given a distinctive voice. Scroll down below to find the section where you must copy and paste the articles. You must go back to the articles and mark everything with a highlighter before selecting a copy. The complete content should then be pasted into the box when you return to the software. As you can see, this article contains 512 words. Because we get to pick the language, let's stick with English for the time being. Simply look down below for the green Rewrite Article button. Please click this button so that the software can start entirely rewriting the article. You can see that they entirely revised the material to make it new, fresh, and distinctive in less than 5 seconds by scrolling down below. All of the modifications they made for us are represented by the phrases and sentences in bold. You may effortlessly copy and paste this recent Bing article using this free application. You can register for a free account at SEOclerks.com by clicking the Join button at the top. Just click the Continue button after entering your username, email address, and password. It is fairly simple. The second website, Conquer, has a very similar sign-up process. But you can start making money there by simply hitting the Join button at the top. Just fill out the form and click the green Sign-up button. You don't need any skill or to put in any work. All you have to do is go to As-in Articles and look up any Bing categories you choose. You can check through their business, entertainment, or news categories for a variety of items that you can copy and paste. Simply pick out every word in the text, copy it all, paste it into the prepostseo.com program, and then click the Rewrite button to have it all redone into an entirely new, original piece of writing. This is an amazingly clever way for beginners to copy and paste articles so they may start making money online. The end of that, until the next video. Take care! I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.